He already sees it. Look how big he's getting really broad. God, 2-year mark on both on him and Stefan.
Get that ball, buddy. That's cheating.
That is cheating. That's totally cheating, buddy. Nope, didn't work. Oh, my camera just messed up.
Sunk that tooth in.
Yeah, I heard it. I heard the tooth go in the ball now.
Got it. There he goes.
There he goes. 1 tooth in it. Bye. And that's the end of that.
The end of that basketball.